In this video, I'll show you how to import an email list into Podia step by step. So first, make sure you ensure your email list is in a CSV file format which is compatible with Podia. Use tools like Excel, Google Sheets, or any email marketing platform to export your list as a CSV. Now, the file should include the following fields for the best results. It should have a first name, last name, email address, and then any other fields or optional fields like tags or customer fields. It's up to you. Now let's head over to the podia.com. Make sure you are logged in, and then from the dashboard, navigate to the email or audience tab in the left hand corner. So in the audience section or the email section, click on the Import Subscriber button and then select your prepared CSV file from your computer. Map the fields in your CSV to Podia's data fields. Like for example, ensure the email address column in your CSV matches Podia's email field. Now, if you use tags to segment your audience, add appropriate tags to categorize the imported subscribers. Now, once your file is uploaded, Podia will display a preview of your data, and you can double check the email addresses and other fields to ensure everything is accurate. And after that, you can click import to finalize the process. And now, after the import, go to the audience section or email section and then view your newly added subscribers, and then use tags and filters to organize your email list for future campaigns. And you can now create email sequences, newsletters, or course updates using Podia's email tools. And that's it. That's how to bring an email list to Podia. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.